Hi, welcome to the fifth session of the 30 in 90 days online course. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to draw a sales funnel. Before I start, do you know what a sales funnel is? A sales funnel is the journey of your potential parent right from the inquiry stage to the conversion stage. And as a preschool entrepreneur, it is very important for you to plan this journey for them. So a sales funnel has three stages. Number 1, the magnet stage. Number 2, a tripwire stage. And number 3, the core product or service stage. Now first, let's understand these three stages one by one. Along with it, let me also show you how to build a sales funnel for your preschool. The first stage is the magnet stage. This is the stage where you attract your prospective customer by offering them something free. For example, offering them a free downloadable PDF, a free registration for an online workshop, free downloadable activity sheets, free dental checkup, etc. At the end of this session, I want you to download a list of offerings under the Carrot Strategy PDF, where I have listed down a number of things you can offer under the magnet stage. There are multiple ways through which you can reach out to your prospective parents. Email campaigns, bulk SMS, Facebook ads, or Google search ads. But my personal favorite is Facebook ad. With a 10 days Facebook ad and by spending as low as Rs 5,000, you can generate more than 70 leads under the magnet stage of your funnel. So basically, what you do in the magnet stage is that you create a Facebook ad in which you offer the prospective parents a freebie, and in order to download this freebie, they have to fill up an online form, wherein they have to fill up details like their name, mobile number, and email ID. This is how you start collecting the data which we will be using in the next stage, and that is the tripwire stage. To learn how to create a Facebook ad for the magnet stage, I am going to soon upload a short online course on how to create a lead generation ad on your Facebook page. Just click on the View Courses button on the PreschoolCoach website. Assign a monthly marketing budget of around 7,500 rupees per month for the Facebook lead generation campaign under the magnet stage. This way, with a daily budget of Rs 500, you will be able to run a Facebook ad for 15 days in a month and in turn generate more than 100 leads under the magnet stage. Once you have done this, and let's assume you have generated 100 leads in the first stage of your funnel, it is time to move to the next stage of your funnel, and that is the tripwire stage. The tripwire stage is the stage where you start nurturing the leads which were generated in the magnet stage. Start nurturing them by offering a high value but low cost service at your preschool. For example, you can offer them a 15 days trial session at a cost of as low as Rs 500, or you can offer them an art and craft activity class at an as low as 300 rupees. I have listed down low ticket offerings in the PDF which you can download at the end of this session. These offerings can be communicated to the leads through the medium of phone calls, SMS, email, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Now let's consider we have a conversion ratio of 25%, and thus out of 100 leads collected under the magnet stage, we were able to convert a minimum of 25 leads by making them register into one of low ticket programs offered by your preschool. This is how you are now one step down in your sales funnel. From 100 leads, you have now filtered these leads to 25 leads who have already bought a small service from you. Now it's time for these 25 customers to experience the quality of the services offered. Give them such a good experience that they talk to 10 different parents about how good your services are. Focus on these 25 and ensure no one is left unhappy or disappointed. Now that they have already started experiencing the quality of service you offered them, it's time to move these 25 to the next stage, which is the core product or service stage. This is the stage where you now have the much more filtered customer, that is, from 100 to 25. These are the cream leads who have high chance of buying your core preschool product or the service you offer, and that is enrollment for playgroup, nursery, junior KG, senior KG, or even daycare. What we did in the first stage is we added value to the prospective customer by offering them a freebie. Later, in the second stage of the funnel, we helped them build trust in our brand by offering them a low cost or a low ticket service which helped them experience the quality of service offered and thus build trust in our preschool brand. At such a time, when you have already added value to your customer and help them build trust in your brand, it is time to hit the red hot iron with a hammer, that is, offer them the core product. Trust me, at this stage, you have a conversion ratio of as high as 50%. So, out of the 25 leads from the Tripwire stage, you can expect a conversion of 10 to 12 leads into enrollments or registrations for one of the programs offered by you. I've shared a case study of a preschool in Hyderabad wherein we were able to generate more than 90 leads by spending an amount of 5,000 rupees under the magnet stage. You can go and check out this case study. In the next session, we'll be focusing on building a marketing plan for your preschool. But before we move on to the next session, I want you to download the sales funnel template and create your own sales funnel. Take your time. Think of some innovative ways through which you can offer value adds or freebies to the prospective customer in the magnet stage. If you come up with some really innovative offering in the magnet stage or the Tripwire stage, mention it in the comment section below this session. I will soon see you in the next session. Good luck.